In the figure, parallel lines Q and T are intersected by lines R and S. If A is 43 degrees and B is 122 degrees, what is the value of W? Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward question. I'm just going to plug in the values that we're given. A is 43 degrees, B is 122 degrees. Now, using the vertical angles theorem, we know the angle here is also 43 degrees because vertical angles are congruent. And then we can figure out the angle here because this is a linear pair and linear pairs are supplementary. So 180 subtract 122 gives us, that's 58 degrees right there. And now focus your attention on this little triangle here. We can find the third angle that's missing on the bottom right over here by simply subtracting the sum of those from 180. So 43, let's do it this way. 180 minus 43 plus 58. That's going to be 180 minus 101. So it's going to be 79 degrees. So we know that this bottom corner on this green triangle, that's 79 degrees. Now, why is that relevant? That is relevant because we have parallel lines. This is a line here. It's parallel to this one. And this happens to be the transversal right there. So using the parallel lines transversal rules, we can figure out the measure of the angle at the bottom here. That angle and the 79 are corresponding angles. That means they are congruent. So we then know the angle at the bottom here is 79 degrees. This is 79 degrees. Because of that, we can then look here and go, oh, these angles add up to 180 as well because they form a straight line right there. So 79 plus 2w, w plus w is 2w, equals 180. Subtract 79 from both sides, so 2w equals 101. Divide both sides by 2, and w ends up being 50.5. And that's the answer to this. Boom shakalaka.